Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook Messenger not opening. The first thing you want to do is go into Play Store, as you want to check if your Messenger app needs updating. So you are going to search for Messenger, and if it needs updating, you are going to update it. And as you can see, mine is up to date. After you are finished updating the app, you are going to close out of Play Store and you are going to go into Settings. Once in Settings, you are going to scroll down and select Apps. After selecting Apps, you are going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you are going to type in Messenger. Then select Messenger. After selecting Messenger, you are going to scroll down a bit. Then tap on Storage. Once you have selected Storage, you are going to tap on Clear Data in the bottom left hand corner. Then you will tap on OK. After you have cleared the data, you will go back. Then you are going to tap on the search icon again. And you are going to type in Facebook. Then you are going to select Facebook. Once you have selected Facebook, you are going to tap on Storage. Then you are going to tap on Clear Data in the bottom left hand corner. Then tap on OK. And now you should be able to go into Facebook Messenger and log in, and it should be opening and working just like normal. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.